time for another
Everyday Getaway.
And it's Tuesdays. We're back in the kitchen. Today was our last day of school.
Woohoo!
So we thought that we would make a fun summertime kid treat.
There we go. We're going to give it a try. We're going to make some deep fried marshmallows.
Ooh.
I don't know. We'll give it a try. It sounds like something a kid would like. I don't know if we will, but maybe.
Hey, join us in the kitchen. Let's see how it works.
All right, we're at it again. For our deep fried marshmallows, we'll go through the list of ingredients. First, of course, you do need marshmallows, and they need to be the large ones. There are some that are even larger than these, but we just went with the normal large size. You need 3/4 cup of milk, a cup of pancake mix. I put a little bit of vanilla always in my pancake mix, so we've got the vanilla out, 1 egg, and oil for frying. And then for toppings, we've got some whipped topping, some caramel sauce, and some sprinkles. You can also use chocolate sauce or strawberry topping, whatever your favorite.
Okay, I'm going to go ahead and start with our vegetable oil. And you want to put enough in so that your marshmallows would be covered. It says about 3 inches, but since our marshmallows are not as thick, I think we can use a little bit less.
And the directions say to get this oil heated up to about 350 degrees. So while we're doing that, we'll start mixing up the batter.
Okay, so I'm going to start off mixing our pancake mix. I'm going to put my pancake batter in there. I'm going to put a tablespoon of oil in there just so it's nice and smooth. I'm going to put my milk.
That was 3/4 cup.
And I'm going to add my egg. And about a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla.
And the recipe really doesn't call for that, but we always put vanilla in our pancake mix. So we figure if it's in our pancake mix, it should be in this pancake mix for our marshmallows
Get a
also.
little extra flavor.
There we go.
Okay, my mixture looks a little runny, so I'm going to add a little bit more in it just so I can thicken it up. I did see online where we got this recipe, some people did say that they had to add some just so that it would stick to a little bit better.
We're almost there. We're at like 325, so just a little bit more to hit that 350 mark, and we'll start frying us up some marshmallows. So we've given the marshmallows a pretty good dunk in this batter. Gonna roll it around so it's got lots of pancake batter on it, and then when you lift it up, we're just letting the excess drain. Give it a little shaky, and then it's gonna go into the oil. And it looks like it's starting to swell up. Maybe that's what we want it to do. Oh, that's kind of fun. It says about 30 seconds to a minute, but we've got to have the kind of a golden brown color, so we will get them all in there and turn them a little bit as we go. Yep, that one slid off.
Okay, so we've had a couple where the marshmallow has come out, so we're just playing around with it a little bit more. I think the trick is to just put like 1 in there and start turning it early and constantly. And then they look a lot better. So this seems to be working a lot better. Just a constant turning. Start turning it as soon as it hits that oil. And they do look so much better.
All right, so this was our first batch. If you can see, the marshmallow came out. We put it in, let it start to brown, and then flip-flopped it. And we figured out very quickly that the marshmallow is going to escape every time. So that's why we went to Doug's plan of let's just put it in. As soon as it starts to coat, we're going to flip it and keep it moving. So we'll show you those next.
Okay, I will say they look really nice. They're pretty, don't you think?
I think so. It looks like a little, I mean, it's a small dessert, but it looks like a donut, you know? It's got that donut sundae vibe.
And they say to eat it when it's nice and warm. So let's give this thing a try.
We've got caramel sauce on there, whipped topping, and a few sprinkles for fun on Doug's.
That's fun. I'm not a real marshmallow fan, but it does have a wonderful taste. The outside coating has a good texture to it. It's not too sweet. I like it. It's pretty good. Okay, let's see what you think.
All right. I think these look a lot better once Doug came up with the idea. Let's just put them in and turn. And I think this tastes like, to me, if a pancake or a crepe and a fried donut had a baby. This is what it would be. It's light and airy on the inside, a little crunch on the outside. The caramel is good and sweet, but not overly sweet. The whipped topping helps cut that down. I think it's very good, and it really is much like a fried donut with a surprise inside. I like it.
Hey, we just want to thank everybody again for hitting that like button, hitting that share button. If you haven't already, please take a couple of seconds and subscribe. It really does help us out. And hey, if you know somebody that likes to make an easy little dessert here, have them check the channel out.
Or if they have some children and they need a fun summertime or fun weekend activity to try just for funsies, this was fun and yummy. All right, take care of yourselves, take care of others, and we will see you soon. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Join us next week as we make another fun treat.